We were brothers, two vibrant parrots, soaring through the skies and sharing every moment together. One fateful day, a hunter spotted us and thought we'd make the perfect gift for the king. Before we knew it, we were trapped and whisked away to the grand palace. At first, it was overwhelming, but soon we discovered the joys of royal life. The king adored us, showering us with treats and attention. His son would come to play, laughing and chatting, filling our days with joy. We exchanged stories in our chirpy voices, and every moment felt like a new adventure. Life in the palace was a dream, but deep down, we longed for the freedom of the skies we once knew.